y'all, I know it's been a long time, but I heard you want to bake like Begging Barbara or Begging Betty. Anywho, welcome to my baking show. Oh, stop it. Oh gosh, stop. Oh gosh, you guys are too fun. I'm gonna show you how to make red velvet cupcakes. I know. So let's get started. Oh, where? Oh gosh. Where is this thing? Oh gosh. Where is the measuring utensils? AKA, that means find your own recipe. Oh, you guys want to leave? Okay, I don't care. I'm gonna tell everyone to get out. Everybody just wants to look with their eyes. Hello, I can use some hands over here. You guys want to come all into my space and then want some food for me? Yeah, right. Get your own recipe. Yeah, I'm talking to you, cameraman. You too. So get out. Goodbye. Yeah. Alright, audience or no audience. Anywho, next, you are going to wash those hands. Okay, that's first and foremost. Once those babies are sparkling, you are going to get 2 bowls. One for the wet ingredients and one for the dry ingredients. I personally like to start with the dry ingredients. Let's get our flour, sugar, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda. Then we can add our wet ingredients to another bowl. That's your buttermilk, eggs, canola oil, or whatever oil you want, vinegar, red color dye, or if you want to try to make a green velvet, blue velvet, knock yourself out, and some vanilla extract. You mix them together and watch it get all nice and red and stuff. At this point in time, you can definitely turn on that oven to 325 degrees or whatever you actually bake on. Evenly spray your cupcake tins with oil and distribute them evenly. I like to do the bootleg way and use an ice cream scooper and scoop out the batter to each tin. Shake the tray nice and gently to get all those bubbles out and throw that thing in the oven. Once they're nice and puffy and golden red, you can take the cupcakes out and please let them cool. Even when you think it's kind of done, the way that you can tell if they're done or not is that you can stab them and see if some batter comes off. When waiting for those babies to cool, you can set up your toppings. So what I like to do is pick the ugliest cupcake and I smash it. And then I take a handful of Oreos and smash it. Now, I personally don't make my own cheese cream frosting. I like to leave it for my bestie Betty Crocker to do it. So I slap everything together, and then it's time to try one. When did you get back in here? I told you not before dinner.